Today, we're diving deep into the world of submarine cables. They're the unseen lifelines that keep the internet running across the globe. But what are they, and why are they so important? Let's explore. What exactly are submarine cables? Submarine cables are fiber optic cables laid on the ocean floor, connecting continents and enabling high-speed global internet. In fact, over 95% of international data traffic from your WhatsApp messages to financial transactions travels through these cables, not satellites. How does the system work? Submarine cables are made up of glass fibers that transmit light signals at incredible speeds. These fibers are bundled, protected with multiple layers of insulation, and laid carefully using specialized ships. Each cable can carry terabits of data per second, supporting cloud services, video calls, streaming, and more. Here's how it looks in real life. Some famous cables include C, Me, We, 6, connecting Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Western Europe. IAX and IEX, India's new high-speed submarine cable projects. Grace Hopper Cable, connecting the US to the UK and Spain. These cables are owned and operated by consortiums of telecom providers, and often involve companies like Google, Airtel, Reliance Jio, and Facebook. They're safe, but not invincible. Cables can be damaged by phishing, anchors, earthquakes, or even cyber attacks. That's why telecom companies constantly monitor, maintain, and repair them. What's next for submarine cables? As demand for internet grows, we'll see more high-capacity cables with faster transmission speeds, better global redundancy for uninterrupted data flow, stronger collaboration between nations and tech giants for connectivity. Submarine cables are key to powering 5G, cloud computing, AI, and the digital economy. They are the real internet backbone. So next time you stream a movie or send a message overseas, remember it probably traveled thousands of kilometers under the sea.